Hi, this is Lisa from Local King Robertson and welcome to my channel. I always want to create a short video, but that never happened because every time when I create a video, I try to share as much as information I can with my viewers. But today, I actually come out with a video. It's going to be the shortest video I have never ever created, but it's the best. What I'm going to share with you. That's started. I like to use the same stem set or same matching die cut to create a different kind of project. And I have created too many different kind of project by using this combo set. And also I have created a video to go with it. If you like to learn or like to take a look, make sure you click the link below or visit Local King online video library. You can see all the cards that created by using the same stem set and the same matching die. In February 2021, I have decided that I'm going to offer my viewer a YouTube special. Any stem set that I am using in my video, I'm offering special price is running 7 to 10 days. So this stem set is our this week's YouTube special. It's supposed to be end on 25th, but I'm going to extend it until the end of February because I'm still have a few awesome projects created by using this stem set. I haven't got a chance to upload to the YouTube yet. So make sure you always check Local King YouTube special category to find out do we have a special. Anytime when you watch this video, check it out. You might have some special promotion and it's always free shipping for YouTube special and for this month's special. So let's start today's video. You are going to enjoy it. So today I was working on this project. This is another project I'm going to show you today, but isn't this pretty? So why when I working on this, I realized a great tips and I can't wait to share with you. So what is a great tip for today? It's so easy. You are going to be very impressed. Can you see what's different between these two? How did I get the reverse image? See this one, the butterflies on the left, and this one, the butterflies on the right. How did I do that? Do you want to learn how? And then I got this idea actually when I was creating this project. So I guess this project have to wait. So I have been using the same same combo set created probably over 8 different projects already. I'm going to post it on the Facebook's page so that way you can see all the project together. I'm also going to provide the link that you can, if you like to learn how to create that card, just click that one and it will bring you to YouTube. So save you some time to go research or library. Probably take a while because I have over 230 video ready to view already. So how did I do that? Let me show you. Okay, so you can use these tips for all the stamp you have. Remember this channel, I am sharing the great stamping techniques, card making idea. It's not necessary that you have to purchase this stamp. If you have the budget, take the advantage for those special price. If not, just use what you have. So today's material is so easy. Only one impact, that's the VersaFine, and then the reason I use a VersaFine because it's a very, very good quality impact and it's very detailed and they dry a little bit slow. So that's what we want. So if you don't have a VersaFine, you got to use the pigment impact. The impact that you can use for embossing that they dry a little bit slow. So if you use a dye base like a Memento, they dry too fast and then you won't be able to get enough time to do this reverse stamp image. So my last few video, I was sharing this awesome pin tool that I found from the dollar store. I have a lot of awesome video. Make sure you check the DVD library and you can find all. Okay, so in my previous video, I have a sharing how to do the reverse image by using the acetate. But today I accidentally found out these ways actually works much better. So I am going to show you. If you have a piece of acrylic block like that, that's awesome. If you don't have it, just use your die cut machine, the cutting mat, that's long enough. So we're going to and one more thing. We are going to need a silicone mat. Okay, so this silicone mat is nothing to do. It's not a special mat for the crafting. It's actually for baking. I found out this. I bought this mat from the Amazon, and I think I only paid for probably $12.99. I don't remember the price, but all the smooth silicone mat will work. And I am not promote the Amazon dollar store, or I'm not trying to selling you this silicone mat. I'm not selling it. This channel I only promote local King Rubber Stamps product. Those are the product I mentioned in my video. It's just the product that I'm using. I think it's work, and it doesn't cost you too much money. So I think this silicone mat is definitely awesome. If you do a lot of crafting, I think it's worth it to invest the money for that. When you want to purchase a mat, don't purchase the black one, okay? Because the black one, if we ink it, we cannot see it. Try to get a light color. I ordered one blue color before, but it's too bright. It kind of bothered my eyes. I think this gray or light pink is good. I will put a link below, but I'm in Canada, so you guys do a little research. Maybe you can find it cheaper. So we're gonna ink our stamp first, and I'm using the Versafine. This is the best black ink pad. It's my favorite ink pad. So we're going to just apply our stamp, and I'm going to just rubbing on top. Okay, so for the regular image, right, on the top, right, you just stamp, right, on your paper, and then we do die cut, whatever. But today, instead of stamping on the paper, we are going to stamping on this silicone mat. So make sure your stamp is nice ink. Make sure you ink everywhere. Don't over ink it, but you got to have enough ink. And then you are going to stamping on your silicone mat. So this time, this paint tool come handy. You can use anything you like. Try to use your left hand or your right hand to holding on that acrylic block. And then we start to rubbing, drawing a circle from your right side. And then we are going to move from your left side. Okay. And then look at this. The image is perfect. And then you're going to just grab a piece of cardstock. This time, don't use your paint tool. You got to use your finger, okay? So now my chubby finger come out very handy because the cushion make it nicely rubbing. Okay, so just make sure you rubbing everywhere with both of your hand, vertical, horizontal. That's it. See? You got the reverse image. Okay, so that's what's look like after you stamp, right? It looks actually not bad, but I am kind of picky. We can make it better. You can see my image is kind of a little bit bleed, right? And also I kind of missing a little bit image here. So how that happened? That happened when I clean my my silicone mat, and then I didn't wait until completely dry, and then I just stamp my image. So when I stamp my image, the surface is kind of slippery. So that's the reason I kind of get a shadow. So be careful if you clean your surface, you clean the silicone mat. After you clean it, you got to dry it with a dry towel. So that way, when you stamp it, they don't kind of slippery. Your stamp will not slip. So let's do one more time. And also here, I kind of didn't rub enough, so I didn't get enough ink. Okay, so see, this time my image didn't have a shadow. Is much better. And then compare with the correct side, not the reverse side, the color is actually pretty good. The last video I had, the other video was showing you how to create that by using the acetate. The reverse image is not as darker as the regular image. So that's how I get a reverse image, and I think it's awesome. And then after I create this video, say, great, now I have to figure out how to do the die cut. But before we move on to the die cut part, here is how you're going to clean your mat, okay? So I just make here a little bit dirty because I already cleaned it, but I make a little bit dirty to show you. So you can actually just easily clean with your wet cloth. This is just the Versafine, right? But if you have a little bit like a stays on ink or whatever on top, just use the stays on cleaner. They will be clean. So it's so easy to clean. Just remember every time when you want to stamp something on top, they got to be completely dry. Otherwise, when you stamp that image, they kind of move a little bit. You don't get a perfect image. So that's it. Today's video is the until now. So after I create this one, I say, well, how I'm going to die cut it so I can reverse the stamp. But now let's grab the die cut. So this is the die cut for this one. So it's so easy. You just put on top. So this is not going to line up. How I'm going to do that? So I was kind of thinking, I said, great, I have to, working on that. Maybe I can figure it out how to do a perfect die cut. And then somehow today my brain actually worked. I actually figured out how to do a reverse die cut by using the same die cut. So because I want to get a very, very short video, I am going to stop right now. If you like this kind of video, make sure you subscribe to Local King's YouTube channel or just keep watching. And I am working on the video to show you how you can do a reverse die cut by using the same stamp set and the same die cut. I think that's a pretty unique technique that you don't want to miss. So that's today's video. This is Lisa from Local King Rubber Stamp. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.